What's the game called? The sound effects. Sound effects. People love it. Very fun game. All right. What's going to happen is two comics are going to act out a scene. While we're acting out the scene, you're going to do the sound effects. All right. So we say, "Oh man, listen, they shooting. Listen." I like it.
Mr. Frankston, I'm prepared for my scene. I just want to know exactly how you want this to look.
First of all, grease up, grease up, grease
right.
up. Too much grease, brother, relax. 6'8", breakfast 32. Go ahead, get ready.
All right.
Can I get action on 3? 1, 2, 3.
Action. Hey, how are you doing? My name's Cop Johnson.
Cut! You need to be already in it.
Oh,
You already in.
I need to be on. Okay,
Watch out,
all right.
watch out. Listen,
All right.
when you first touch it, you should get it. When you first touch it. All right,
Right on the set.
and 3, 2, action.
Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
There you go.
I fucking like this. Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Was you fucking pass gas on my set? I'm sorry. You fucking put on my set?
Fucking lunch, man.
Move the fuck out the way. Move. This is how you do it. You take it too long. Get up in there. You just got there.
Whoa!
Let me get out. Let me get out. Oh, go ahead. Oh, ma'am, are you okay? She's good. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Action! Are you ma'am? What are you doing?
Hey, this her pussy's fucking huge. Did you hear that? Ah! I'm not cleaning that up, man.
You should get a condom. We're going live in 3, 2, action!
Again.
You want your money, don't you? Deeper! Yeah. Now wait, let me hear you, ma'am. Is it good? Let's go. Get in there. Let me hear you, ma'am. God, this bitch a horse. I don't want to be.
Well, we're going to talk to y'all. Hey, give that to a round of applause.